Hello guys, and in this quick tutorial video, I'll show you two methods to fix the problem of mouse not working in GTA San Andreas. Open the folder where GTA San Andreas game is located. Right click on the game file, go to the properties, click on this compatibility option, and here check the option run this program in compatibility mode. And in this box, you can either select Windows 98 or Windows XP. And also check this run this program as an administrator option. Click on apply and click on OK. Now open your game and check whether a problem has been solved or not. If it's still not working, try method 2. While you are in your game, press the Windows button and simply open the task manager. Now go to the details option and find gdsa.exe. Once you find it, left click and open the set affinity option. Now what you have to do is to just uncheck all of these options and check only the CPU one and not any other option. Once done, click on OK and simply return back to your game. Now these are the temporary solutions. If you want to fix this issue permanently, you can watch this video.
Come on, punch!